ada notif, soalnya aku nggak mood. Nah, ini balik solusinya. Nah, yang pertama udah di unboxing, ya, Spotify picture, dan akan unboxing yang lainnya biar si Inces mood kembali. Hai. Yang pertama ada figura. Ya, figura. Tebel ya bebelnya. Wow. Keren banget. Ini antara figura sama buku. Wow. Less talking, more doing. Oh, ini buat tempel-tempel bukan sih? Ini semacam quote-quote gitu ya. Success is not for the lazy. Yeah, that's very true. That's really true. Absolutely true. Open your mind before your mouth. Or more action than talking. Spotify dan quotes figure is open. Now the other package. I'm very interested for the package of the packaging. The third is, what's the package third? This is something like what is this? Metal tape dispenser. Wow. This is the weapon of the packaging, I think. Alright. Yeah. Wow. 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 Origin dispenser, exclusive metal tape dispenser, edisi ORD P004M, anti rollback. Wow. I hope the Shopee is really better from this. Third package. And the fourth package. And the fourth package is, I think this is the solasi in bahasa. Solasi in bahasa. Right? Yeah. Jangankah menangis, tapi ku terima. Yeah, this is solasi bening. The full package is solasi. Wow. And the fragile. This is what I live. Ever. You always know me. Kiss for you. Fourth package. And the fifth package. I open the this is like the black forest. What is this? What is this? Wow! The fifth package called is tape cutter. This is what I need. Fast packaging and fast money. Yeah. This is the best I think ever. And sixth package. Wow. This is really... This looks like Arema, but not Arema. Vespa! You know what I like? My favorite motorcycle. And then, this one is... This is like the... This is just like... Oh my god. The best boyfriend in the universe from yours. From yours in the Jatisari Mijen. His card is Audi. I've met she in 19 July. And that was the best moment I've ever had. Wow. Thank you. The best boyfriend ever. And you too, the best girlfriend ever. Wow. It's really exclusive, I think. This package is done. And oh, I forgot the Vespa motorcycle. And the seventh package is, I think this is like Aku menanti kau untuk kembali. Tinggalkan semua di sini. The 7th package is wow. Series M2000 original. The black blade, exclusive from Inches. And the last package, I think the last package is it's just like an item in the MMORPG or adventure game or rare item or the hidden gem or something else. Wow, this is the card. This is the card of exclusive card for package and a fragile. Wow, and the smell is like the flower because from you. Wow, I'm very happy right now. All the package is full of love. I feel it. I really feel it. And all the best for my love. Audi Serenacrolisa. Thank you very much. Komawo. Mwah.